Andrea. In this video I have a review on the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate the Leave-In collection. It doesn't say leave-in conditioner, leave-in nothing, okay? So in the back it says golden honey base condition to provide maximum hydration. Comes in a honey bottle. It looks like honey, okay? Exactly like honey. Yes, I used it before. I used it twice, 2 wash and goes already. This is the one that caught my eyes, the only one that I've seen. I didn't see any other honey stuff from that collection at Target. I got it from Target. Use as a leave-in or freshly conditioned hair, then style as desired. Ingredients: honey, olive fruit oil, castor oil, aloe leaf juice, bilberry fruit, sugarcane, sugar maple, sweet orange fruit, lemon fruit extract, caramel, and optiphen. Optiphen is a liquid paraben-free and formaldehyde-free, we'll put it that somewhere, preservative. Also a globally approved preservative, all right? My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned, and I am going to apply a leave-in. The leave-in is a Shea Moisture Hydrate Plus Repair Multi-Action Leave-In, okay? And it's a very light leave-in. Oh, ow! I'm going to put this light leave-in on. Focusing on my roots because I had some issues with my dry roots with that product. So yeah, and my ends. It feels literally like honey, okay? Feels like you're putting honey on your hair. It feels sticky in your hands. I'm gonna apply starting from the bottom going up. And oh man, it smells like honey too. Just like honey. And the stickiness, everything. Oh boy. And by the way, right after you apply onto your hair, it doesn't feel sticky on your hair. But you do smell the sticky smell. Yes, it smells sticky since it smells just like honey. If you ever wonder how it would be to apply honey on your hair, just literally buy this honey liner by Camille Rose. That's it. That's really all you have to do. But the only difference is after you apply it, it doesn't feel sticky. So you just deal with the sweet honey smell. It's just a little twirl. It's not nothing crazy. So I'm gonna squish, and this is what you have. Experience? Well, I would describe it as disgusting. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of sweet smells, especially sticky in the beginning. It does feel a little bit, I forgot, why would I forget to mention that? Whoa, the big thing about this, it feels so warm in your hands when you first apply it. Like, you feel like it's getting, like, how do I explain this? You feel like it gets so warm, like a little bit more than warm in your hands as you're applying it to your hair, and then it just cools off like in like 5 seconds. But it feels really warm, okay? And it's kind of cool at first, but weird at the same time. You're like, ooh, is this getting hot? And they're like, yes, yes it is. Finish this and wait this to dry, and when it's 100% dry, I'll come back on camera and I'll show you guys the results, okay? so here we are. My hair is 100% dry. Okay, so with this product, the Honey by Rose Naturals, I would say that the top of my hair, which is, it tends to be dry, especially like at the crown and stuff like that, it tends to be drier. It left my roots very puffy. Okay, as far as the bottom of my hair, it's all soft. It doesn't feel sticky at all. Like I said, it's all soft. It feels amazing, but the top leaves the top very puffy. You can easily fix it. By the way, I like the moisture. Seems like it'd be great for overnight hairstyles, you know, flexi rods, anything. They'll leave it in there while it's in there and then reveal at the end. But as far as washing goes, again, puffy roots, and it's my third time trying it, and I still get puffy roots. So I'm going to put this up or something. Just gonna do something with the top. You see what I mean? But overall, I feel like it does elongate your curls. I love the feeling. I love the way that it hydrates the curls. All right, so this is the hair on the second day here, as you can see, and I think I prefer my hair on the second day. So you can see it does elongate your curls, so without weighing it down, it feels very, very light. Those are the positive things. No stickiness still, but I feel like it looks so moisturized, and my opinion about not controlling the roots very well stays the same. Not really good on the drier areas. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like on the second day. Come closer. Again, the second day, right? But look, second day. Again, I prefer on the second day. Look how moisturizing. So the hydrating part of it was on the dot. So look, very, very moisturizing. My final thoughts about this is that it's great for moisturizing purposes if you don't mind the application part. If I could just skip the application, just go straight to my hair already dry, I would have done that. But I can't, and I don't like that experience, so I would pass on this product. I don't like that application feeling of how warm it gets. I don't like none of that. But if that's not what you're concerned, you don't have that many dry parts on your hair, you'll be totally fine. But if you're worried about sweet smells and sweet feelings and sticky smells, not the feeling, nothing sticky at all, then I would not recommend this product for you. That is my review on the Camille Rose Honey leave-in. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and don't forget to click the bell, because if you don't click, you will not be notified of my video. So click that bell. All right, guys, bye. Mwah.